Goulburn Valley Water operates 37 water treatment plants. This is where we produce clean and safe drinking water for 57 towns across the Goulburn Valley. Water entering a water treatment plant comes from a water source in each town. This could be a river, creek, reservoir, channel, or bore. Untreated water entering the plant is referred to as raw water. It contains contaminants that must be removed during the treatment process to ensure the water is safe to drink. This can include dirt particles, chemicals, and bacteria or germs. The first step in water treatment is to remove the dirt particles. These particles can be difficult to remove as they are light and have a negative charge, making them repel off each other and stay suspended in the water. Coagulation involves adding a chemical, such as aluminium sulfate, which has a strong positive charge. This cancels out or neutralises the negative charge on the suspended particles. Flocculation can then occur. This is the coming together of particles to form clumps, known as floc. Gentle mixing and the addition of a chemical such as polyelectrolyte encourages floc formation. The floc are larger and now much easier to remove. The removal process occurs in a DAFF plant, which stands for dissolved air flotation and filtration. Pressurized water, which contains millions of tiny air bubbles, is released into the tank. They attach to the floc and float them to the surface of the water. This results in a light and airy sludge layer on the surface, which looks a lot like chocolate mousse. The sludge layer is removed and typically enters the sewage system. After this process, some small particles still remain. Passing the water down through a filter traps these particles. Our filters are typically made of 3 layers: anthracite or charcoal on top, followed by sand, then fine gravel. Once the water has passed through the filter, it is crystal clear, but there is still more to do. A chemical called lime is added to the water at many of our plants. Through the treatment process, the pH is altered and the water becomes slightly acidic. If we sent the water to homes while it is an acid, it would gradually eat away at our pipework. Adding lime takes away the acidity or neutralises the water. Although the water looks clean at this point, there can be bacteria present that could make us sick. Disinfection is the most important step in the treatment process. Chlorine is a disinfectant used to kill this bacteria. In some of our towns, fluoride is also added to help reduce tooth decay or holes in our teeth. The water is now safe, and the last step is to distribute it out to the community. To do this, the water is first pumped up a water tower. Due to the water being up so high, the pressure builds up and the water gravity feeds out through pipes or water mains to houses and businesses, where it can be used for many activities including drinking, cooking, bathing and watering the garden.